Welcome, folks. Today, we're diving into error handling in Ansible. Because let's face it, nothing ever goes perfectly in automation. We'll explore ways to keep your playbooks running smoothly despite failures. From ignoring errors to recovering gracefully, I'll guide you through the essentials so your automation doesn't break at the worst possible time. Buckle up. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Ever had a playbook fail at the worst possible time? Yeah, me too. Understanding why tasks fail is crucial. Maybe a missing variable or an unreachable host. These failures can halt execution. Knowing why things go wrong helps us prepare better solutions so we can keep our automation robust and running. Let's break it down. Imagine you're baking a cake, but your mixer refuses to work. Do you stop baking? Nope. You find another way. That's exactly what ignore errors does. It lets non-critical tasks fail without stopping the playbook, but don't overuse it. Because ignoring problems without solving them can lead to bigger disasters. An unreachable host doesn't mean the world is ending. With Ignore Unreachable, we ensure one missing server doesn't derail everything. Think of it like a GPS rerouting your trip. Your playbook keeps running, skipping the offline node while completing the tasks elsewhere. It's a lifesaver in dynamic environments. Ever wondered where your task results disappear to? Well, Register is your storage locker. It lets you stash outputs for later, so you can make decisions based on them, like a smart automation detective. Plus, debugging gets easier when you have the data in hand. So, say goodbye to guessing and hello to efficiency. Imagine running a command and just hoping it worked. Yikes. Enter RC, the exit code that tells us whether a task ran smoothly or failed miserably. It's like getting a report card, but without the dread. By checking RC, we can take corrective action before chaos ensues. Notify is like calling room service, only in automation. If a task changes, Notify steps in to trigger handlers, ensuring actions are taken just in time. No unnecessary re-executions, no wasted resources, just pure efficiency. Think of it as keeping things running smoothly without the extra fuss. Sometimes, you don't want to power through failures. You want to slam the emergency brakes. Any errors fatal does just that. It ensures that when a critical issue arises, the execution halts before things spiral out of control. Think of it as a fire alarm for your playbooks. Not every failure is a deal breaker. Sometimes, we need a bit of wiggle room. Setting a max failure percentage lets us decide just how much trouble we're willing to tolerate before pulling the plug. It's about balance, like knowing when to quit a bad movie. Debugging without data is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Painful. The debug module helps expose issues with clarity, printing useful details. It's your flashlight in the dark corners of automation errors. Errors happen. It's a fact of life. But logging them lets us learn, adapt, and improve for next time. It's like keeping a diary of your mistakes, but for automation troubleshooting. Future will thank you. Error handling isn't just damage control. It's smart planning. By leveraging these tools, Register, RC, Notify, and others, we make automation reliable and resilient. So, automate responsibly, learn from mistakes, and keep those playbooks running smoothly. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.